Hello and welcome to the Cottage Farmstead. Today we are going to be delving into a topic that may be unknown to you. It's called cold stratification. This is a process of essentially exposing seeds to cold weather. This is to mimic nature, as if you think about outside, when the plant releases its seeds, it's exposed to the elements during the winter. With certain seeds, it actually needs this cold spell in order for the seeds to germinate properly. You can think of certain crops such as your asparagus or flowers like black-eyed Susans or echinacea, all of which require this process. So come on over here and join us in as we start our cold stratification process. Here are some of the seeds that do best if you expose them to cold stratification. We have arnica, marshmallow root, lavender, asparagus, which we actually saved ourselves last year. Same thing with our black-eyed Susans, echinaceas, poppies. Most varieties of poppies do best with this. And then yarrow is another great one. Some of the supplies that will help you along this journey are paper towels, which you'll moisten before putting the seeds on, a marker for labeling the bags. This is very important. I've not done this step a couple of times, and then you can't tell what seeds are which. And then Ziploc bags, simply to put the moist paper towel with the seeds on into the refrigerator.
The first step is to get your paper towels moist. You don't want them sopping wet because we're trying to mimic soil. We don't want to mimic, say, a puddle that the seed is in. Next, you want to label everything. You don't want to have a whole bunch of Ziploc bags with mystery seeds and you accidentally plant, say, the asparagus where you meant to plant the echinacea. You want to be able to plan and plant your garden while knowing what seeds you're putting in.
The paper towels are moist, all the bags are labeled, and now we can proceed on to the next step.
Alright, we got all of our seed on damp paper towels and Ziploc bags. They're all labeled. So we will check back in a few weeks to see if they started germinating.
Now it's time to put these into the refrigerator, where we will look at them in about 2 weeks. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you've learned some new tips and tricks on how to cold stratify your seeds, and always remember to check the seed packet to see if it is a requirement for the seeds. Happy growing!
Thank you.